Welcome to Proloquo4text tutorial. This is an app for iPad or iPhone, and it is made by Systemware. It costs around $120 in the App Store, and this app is for someone who is already literate. It can be customized in many different ways. Its home screen is a keyboard with word prediction. It learns how you write, and so the more you type, the faster and more accurate the predictions are. Off to the sides of the keyboard, there are menus that can be configured to show sentence prediction, phrases, and conversations. They can also have quick talk.
Please be patient while I write my message.
History of what you just wrote, and word prediction. You can choose which side shows what and if you want it to be shown at all. You can choose whether or not it speaks after the sentence, when you tell it to, or after each word. You can also have it highlight each word as it speaks. The background colors and font sizes can also be changed in options. The message can also be shared through an email, text, or Facebook.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.